Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about functions, what a function is. If a relation R is defined from A to B, A and B are non-empty sets. Such that number one, every element of A is related to some element of B. Number two, every element of A has its unique R image in B. Then we say, then R is a function from A to B. Let's understand what is the meaning of them. Number one, I said every element of A is related to some element of B. It means what? Number one explains here, every element is related means domain of R should be equal to set A. And that is why we say that A is the domain of the function. Means every element of this should have some image in set B. The meaning of second is unique image means what? Every element of A should have unique image. Unique image means one element should have only one image in B. That is, if x1, x2 are two elements belonging to A, then x1 are A and x1 are B. Means element x1 is related to A and B, two elements of B, A, B belong to B. Then R is not a function. R is not a function. Let's make it more clear to you. As I said, that every element of A should have unique image in B. R is a relation from A to B. Suppose there is some set A, another set B, we are representing it by arrow diagrams. The elements in A are A, B, C, D, and the elements in B are 1, 2, 3, 4. If A is related to 1 by some relation R, B is related to 2, C is related to 4, D is related to 3. That is the meaning of uniqueness of image, and also every element is related to some element of it. It means if we find the relation R here, we find this A1, B2, C4 and D3. So we are finding domain of R, that is A, B, C, D, which is equal to A. Also we find that A is related to 1, B is related to 2, C is related to 4, D is related to 3. No element has more than one image in B. Then we say it is a function. So we say here R is a function. Let's take one more example. Suppose I have one A and B. The elements in this are A, B, C, D, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With some relation R1, A is related to 1, B is related to 2, C is related to 3, and D is also related to 3. Then is it a function? Yes, we find that the domain of R1 is equal to A, B, C, D, and this is equal to A. Also we find that of course C are 3 and D are 3, but every element has only one image, unique image. It is not necessary that every element of B is related to some element of A, but every element of A should be related to B, and hence we say that R1 is a function. Let's take one more example. That is, we have A and B two sets which are non-empty sets, and R2 is a relation. We have A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this. A has the relation R2 with 1, B with 2, C with 3, B with 4, and D with 5. We find here, of course, the domain of R2 is A, B, C, D, which is equal to A. But we are finding B has the relation R2 with 2, and B also has the relation R2 with 4. So we can say that B2 and B4 both are belonging to R2. In this case, we find that B has more than one images. B is associated to more than one element of B, and this implies that R2 is not a function. R2 is not a function. It must be a bit clear to you. Let's take some more example. I'll take one more. Suppose A is here, B is another set. We have A, B, C, D likewise, and 1, 2, 3, 4 here. A is related to this relation R3 we are defining. A is related to 1, B is related to 2, C is related to 3, but D is not related to anyone. In such case, we are finding the domain of R3 is only A, B, C, which is not equal to A, and therefore we say R3 is not a function. R3 is not a function, but it is a relation. Let's take one more example. Suppose we have A and B, two sets. Here again, A, B, C, D are the elements in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the elements in B. A has the relation R4 with 1, B with 2, C with 4, D with 5. What we find in this? We are finding the domain of R4 is equal to A, B, C, D, that is equal to A. B is known as the codomain, you know. If we see the codomain of R4 is B. But we find the range of R4 is not equal to B here. Even then it is a function. So it is not necessary that every element of B is having some pre-image in set A, but it is necessary that every element of A should have the image in B, and hence we say that yes, R4 is a function. With these examples you must have it more clear. Now one more thing I will tell you, that only the name function is not the name for this particular relation. Function is also known as mapping. We can also say this is a mapping from this. Another way, functions are generally represented by f, g, h, etc. Then what is the relation between relation and function? How can we say a relation is a function or not, a function is a relation or not? We have learnt it that we are finding from some relations only, some of the relations are functions. So can we say that every relation is a function? No. Every relation is not a function. But do you say that every function is a relation? Yes, because we have every function is coming from the relations only. So we say, but every function is a relation. And that's why we say that f is always a subset of A into B. And that's, this is the definition of the relation also. So it must be very clear to you now what a function is and how can we understand the function. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubt or comment, leave them in the comment box and I'll get back to you.